Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Plants vs. Zombies style game in Roblox. First, grasp the fundamental tower defense concept, strategically placing units to defend against waves of enemies. Familiarize yourself with Roblox Studio's environment, including its part manipulation and scripting editors. Begin by outlining your game's unique features, such as specific plant abilities and zombie behaviors. Finally, sketch out a simple grid-based map. Next, focus on building your game's visual assets. Construct a grid-based map, perhaps a 5x9 grid, using Roblox parts or terrain tools to define playable lanes. Model your unique plant and zombie characters, ensuring they have distinct appearances. Animate these characters for actions like attacking, walking, and dying to bring them to life. Lastly, design intuitive user interface elements for plant selection and game information. Now dive into the core scripting using Lua. Program the logic for players to place plants on the grid and for plants to attack approaching zombies. Script the spawning of different zombie types, perhaps every 30 seconds, and define their movement along the lanes. Create a currency system like Sun for players to earn and spend on new plants. Finally, implement wave progression and clear win or loss conditions. The final stage involves rigorous testing and refinement. Playtest your game extensively to identify and fix any bugs in plant abilities, zombie paths, or the currency system. Solicit feedback from friends or a small group of testers to pinpoint areas for improvement. Optimize your game's performance to ensure it runs smoothly across different devices. Once satisfied, publish your creation on Roblox for millions of players to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.